Coming up in this video, yet another Espresso Martini riff for you. This one's got almond in it. Welcome back, drinks fans. As I just said, today is it's Wednesday, innit? It's another Mr. Black recipe, Espresso Martinis. I've got loads of them to rock out, probably a year's worth of content on Espresso Martinis to work out if we do it every Wednesday. This, I've gone from an almond one this time. There's a couple of little extra ingredients. It's not as obvious as it seems. So don't think you can just tune out now and think, oh, he's just added Disaronno to that. Well, I haven't. The garnish, I love the little garnish on this. Regular viewers will be knowing exactly what's going on with that. This is amazing. Yes, the almond notes are there, but I've also got little subtle hints of chocolate in there. Booze forward as well. It's not that sweet. It really isn't. You look at the ingredients, you think, oh, that's going to be really sweet. Honestly, it's not that sweet. This is perfectly balanced. Absolutely love it. I'm going to have to rank these Espresso Martinis, do a league table of my favourites. Right, let's show you how to make it. Right then, let's run you through the ingredients for this. Obviously, we've got Mr. Black, the world's best coffee liqueur. As I always say, yes, you can use Kahlua by all means. I love Kahlua. Just bearing in mind, as I always say, sorry if I'm repeating myself, Kahlua is just a lot sweeter, to be fair. So just bearing in mind, if you're making these recipes, you might need to dial the sweetness quite back down, because this is just alcoholic coffee. That's all it is, cold brew coffee, alcoholic. No sweetness to it at all. We've got plain vodka. Because I want to let the other flavours do the work. So I've got an Amaretto there from Toshi, but feel free to use Disaronno or whatever, but I quite like that. I've got used to using that now. I've got some Orgeat Syrup. I've got some of Mozart's chocolate liqueur, dark chocolate liqueur, think Cacao more than like. And I've got some Expresso in Expresso, EX. We all know it's spelled EX, don't we? Right. Let's go, fresh jigger. So this one first, I'm going for 30 ml of my Mr. B, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. It's good. Right, just plain old vodka. I've got Spud. I've got Whitley Neal's Spud vodka here. Tatty's in it for where I'm from. Right, 30 ml, 1 ounce of vodka in there. The sweetness is I'm going for 15 ml of Amaretto. I say, lovely brand. Toshi sent it to me just to kind of have a little play about with, because I was loving using their strawberry liqueurs. That's where that's came from. So big shout out to Toshi. Thank you very much for that. I really like it, actually. And I've also, behind the bum, I've got, if I go that way, where is it? Oh, there we go. Some nocino. Oh, you can't see it, can you? Some nocino and nocello, hazelnuts and walnut liqueurs. They're really good. So I've got that there. I'm going for some Orgeat Syrup, Orgeat, just a tiny little bit, 5 ml, which I've got no idea how many ounces that is, but let's go around the right way for that. Oopsie, 7.5 ml. There we go. What's 5 ml in ounces? Where is it? 1/6 of an ounce. There we go. There we go. Right, and then chocolate liqueur. This is not a sweet chocolate liqueur, so it's got like cacao. It's a little bit bitter. So again, I'm going 15 ml, half an ounce there. And then my final little ingredient is my espresso. So many people have just, Italians hate me. Espresso. 30 ml of espresso. There we go. The joke will wear thin very soon. If you don't understand the joke, basically on my channel, like well over a year ago, I had really bad sinuses, and I still have sinus issues, to be fair. I had really bad sinus issues, and I just couldn't say it. I couldn't say espresso, just for the love nor money, and it kept coming out espresso. Espresso. I can't say espresso now. And the hate comments on those videos, there's about 4 of them. The hate comments are hilarious. So I just do it to wind people up now. Right, 10-15 seconds. Right, there we go. Now, because of, well, I don't know why, but because of, I was going for the tiki ingredients, because of the Orgeat, I'm going for that tiki little glass there, double strain. You go, whatever glass you fancy, whatever glass. We'll just double strain that in there. Oh, lovely jobs. Get that foam out there. Lovely. Oh, look at that. I love it. Settles like a pint of Guinness. And then the garnish. Let's just put that there for the close-up. Bit of marketing. For the garnish. Oh, actually, get out of the way, Mr. Black. We've got some popping candy. I like using popping candy on espresso martinis. There we go. It's a little pinch of popping candy. Psh, 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 psh. Oh, I love it. Love it. So pop it up on screen right there. If I get out of the way, we'll be even more Mr. Black Espresso Martini recipes. Dive into those. And as always, if you like me, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel.